Okay, everyone, I couldn't wait to bring out this 2004 Aprilia RSV 1000R out on a test ride after we did a huge service on it. I'm going to turn it on for you guys in a second, and at the end of this video, I will include some before and after pictures of the service. It came in pretty rough. Just things like some oil leaks, some pretty bad oil leaks. The rear shock was blown out. The forks were leaking from the top and the bottom. I think we did steering bearings on this one as well. I think. I'll confirm. But check out the custom paint job. I think it's pretty cool. Nice tricolore theme going. Let's turn this thing on real quick. Sounds a little different than the current RSV4s. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This bike feels really tight, really fresh right now. Check out those dark blue anodized forged aluminum wheels by OZ Racing. Where is the label? Look at those, they look brand new. Amazing. Let's check this side. Guys, this bike looks really clean right now. You'll see in the pictures at the end of this video, it was looking pretty rough. The rear shock was completely blown out. We totally refreshened that. The forks were leaking from the top and the bottom. What? What else? New tires. Oh, the air filter was a mess. You'll see. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to get back to riding. Maybe I'll do some dips and pull-ups before I head back to the shop to get the blood pumping a little bit. What a beautiful day. Looking closer and closer to normal here in Santa Monica, California, where the weather's just perfect. See you guys. Stay safe.